Whoa. Tut, tut. A Peppa Pig. This is my little butt. So George. And this is my baby. And this is Daddy Pig. Peppa Pig. Hiccup. Melody, Baba and Daddy, having it with friends.
Bigfoot.
Baba, I'm going to play. I'm going to play. Mommy, can please play? We go to play. Right, they go play. We finish. We miss with breakfast. The juice too pretty. Yeah. How do you go with his cups? Yeah. What are you going to do? Want to play now, Mommy? How do you do that? But remember, Hiccup, we have a gun. Mommy said that George. Oh, that's right. We go all out the way. Look after George. Hey, Peppa and Joe, I love playing in the garden. George, when I'm doing the move, then going to catch it. George, please stop hiccups. Yeah. George! How do a mom to be and to catch it? Yeah. George! George hiccups are stuck in your game. I don't know. I know how to use chip cups. What you say? Good job without your head. This is for Tubby. So now he got gone.爸是就for him cups. So this is how she walk it. So we don't do all wrong. I有没有为错shake up? Just first jump. I mean, I'm side up on one leg. Stand up and down. A stick your tunic out. And don't close your eyes. You turn the cookie 3 times. You turn around quickly 3 times. The Peppa sugar recommended just 2 hours Hiccup. I know. Just Hiccup. I'm thinking to maybe I'm going to shop. So I'm going to scare you. But I remember the audio game. I'm sure if it's scary. Oh! What happened? Peppa, you're busting the nursery doors. You're only little. Sorry, Mommy. I'm just trying to stop George Hiccup. So, to George Hiccup, oh, have gone. Sugar starting to miss of juice. Short. Don't me too quickly. Raise your hands up again. The little George. The secret do it again, what too? Oh! Okay. Nhiều đấy. Sao muốn nhiều? Món gì rồi? Lunch.